Oh, hello friends. That's the start. Welcome to Thursday's video. I have been in the ornament creating mood, obviously, because it's the most wonderful time. Yeah, I'm not going to sing anymore. Sorry about that. Anyway, I found these molds on, you guessed it, Amazon, and to be honest with you, I'm very intimidated by them at the moment because of how small they are. Let me bring this up close for you. That's gonna trap a ton of bubbles. I think all of these are gonna trap a ton of bubbles. Maybe not this one. Maybe not that one. Maybe not that one. But, yeah. I'm nervous, you guys. I'm nervous. One of the things that I was thinking about doing, if I have another one, I'm not even sure that I have another one, is use one of these needle bottles and putting the resin in that to help get it in there. I mean, I have a ton of pipettes, but I think even a pipette is going to be too big for it. The other option is to just fill them up with resin and then take something flat, obviously not a spatula, but something flat, and, like, you know, just push the excess off. I don't know. I don't know what to do. And you also can't really put glitter in these, obviously, because the glitter would be just too chunky. It wouldn't even fit in a lot of these crevices. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I mean, you could use, I take that back. Most of the glitters that I like to use would be too chunky, but I do have some very fine glitter that I could use. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. I kind of wanted to do blue with glitter. Because our Christmas tree tends to be blue and silver and white. Okay, I'm just going to think on this. And then whatever I decide to do is what you guys will see. Okay? Alright. Let's, yeah. Alright, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. These are going to be missing a lot of pieces. They're going to be riddled with holes. They're not exactly what I wanted from Amazon. But let's go ahead and demold anyway. I mean, it's not terrible. The other thing I noticed too is that a lot of these are uneven. Let me show you this one. So it's real thick and then it goes to thin. So I don't know. I don't know if that will, I mean, obviously it affects the levelness of it. But I just noticed this one doesn't have like a little pour hole, you know, for like a, for a hook. It's very pretty, very delicate. I mean, I tried to take my time with them. Like, yeah, there's a huge hole right there. So this is coming off. There's a hole right here, or a bubble, I mean. Not exactly what I had planned, you know. I mean, now, could I fix that with UV resin? Yeah, and I probably will, just for the sake of the glamour shots. Or I might just stop playing with it altogether. I don't know. But these are, they weren't expensive. I'm not mad at the price. I'm just mad at myself because I didn't pay close attention to the sizing of them. This one's so pretty. You know. I really love the way the colors turned out. You can see the blue a lot better, you know, on the mat. Oh, I just broke that piece right off. Okay. I mean, to be fair, there are no perfect snowflakes, but, you know. I mean, again, I could glue this on with UV resin, but is it really worth it? You know? Some of these, I think, are great. Some of them, just not so much. Like these thicker ones, or more full ones, turned out great, you know? Like they did. They turned out fantastic. Like this one is great. There's just these thin ones that I have zero hopes for. See, another one. This one's super pretty, but it's also much more solid. And I don't see a hole for a hook, so you would have to, you know, drill a hole or wrap the hook around, like maybe around one of these little legs, arms, I don't know. This one is beautiful though. Look at that. Oh, stunning. Now, like I said, if I had a needle-nosed bottle that I, you know, a clean one that I could have used, this would have probably been so much easier to actually fill correctly without a bunch of bubbles. That's beautiful. But I didn't have one that was clean. I'm going to order some more. Probably after Christmas. Oh, I mean, it's so pretty. They really are gorgeous. I don't know. Maybe they're better with UV resin, you know? Because these molds are great for UV resin, but I don't know. I'm trying to be so tender with pulling these out because again there's huge bubbles. Let's see if I can show you all throughout the arms. of this. Okay, last one. I think, yes, last one. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. So, yeah, would I recommend these molds? I mean, probably not unless you have a needle nose bottle like this. They're just, or unless you use UV resin and you can build it up, you know. I don't know. They're very, very pretty. I will probably most definitely use some of these again. You know, the ones that are much more solid. But the ones like, actually this one wasn't too terrible. Although that did still have, no, actually this one wasn't too terrible. Where's the other one? This one. And is it this one? Or this one? This one. Like the really, really thin ones with very little space for the resin. Yeah, I probably wouldn't use those again. But I'll definitely be using these again, some of them again. Most likely. Anyway, that is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. It helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around and click the red subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I'd really love for you guys to hang out with me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.